children, my name is Rachel. It's lovely to see you again. Let's start our letters and sounds lesson and learn to read some new words. Now later in the lesson you will need some paper and something to write with, so you might want to get that ready now. Okay, are you ready? Excellent. Let's start by reading some phonemes that you already know. I'll show you the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. Are you ready? Have a look. This first card says Oi. It is a digraph. 2 letters, 1 sound. This digraph says Remember this card? This one makes 2 sounds, oo and See if you can remember to say them both. Now it's your turn. Are you ready? Off you go. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. Oi. Oo or A. Ow. Ear. Now I'm going to mix the cards up so that they are in a different order, and I want you to read the graphemes on the cards aloud. Off you go. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. Ear. A. Oi. Oo or Ow. Well done. Super sounds. Now, let's read some words with graphemes we already know. I bet you can read these words easily. Are you ready? Have a look. Can you spot the trigraph? 3 letters, 1 sound. Yes, the trigraph is ear. Read each sound, then blend. Ear, here. Can you hear me? Can you spot the trigraph? Yes, the trigraph is ear. Read each sound, then blend. Ear, near. Some of you live very near to your school. Can you spot the digraph? 2 letters, 1 sound. Have you got it? Yes, the digraph is ow. Read each sound, then blend. Ow, how. We are learning how to read. Last word. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, the digraph is R. Read each sound, then blend. P-A-R-K. Park. The park is a great place to go for a walk. Great reading. Now, can you read the words on the cards without sounding out? Have a go. Off you go. Let's check. Read them with me. Here. Near. How. Park. Super reading. Today we are learning a grapheme for the phoneme air. 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 Copy me. Air. 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 Now let's sound talk some words with the phoneme air. Copy me. Say the sounds and then see if you can blend the sounds to say the word. Air. Air. Your turn. Air. Air. Air is all around us, but we cannot see it. We breathe in the air. Copy me. Say the sounds, then blend the sounds to say the word. F, air. F, air. Your turn. F, air, fair. A fair is so much fun with rides and stalls. I've got a picture of one here. Have a look. Can you imagine what great fun we could have at this fair? Let's sound talk our final word. Copy me. Say the sounds, then blend the sounds to say the word. P, air. P, air. Your turn. P, air, pair. A pair means two of something. A pair of shoes or a pair of socks. 1, 2. Now, have a look at this. Copy me. Air, chair in the air. Oh, wow! The chair is floating in the air. Do you think the teddy is enjoying the ride? Let's say our catchphrase again. Say it with me. Ready? Air, chair in the air. Did you notice the air sound in our catchphrase? Let's say it again. Listen out for words with the air sound. Say it with me. Ready? Air, chair in the air. Did you hear the air in chair and air? Great job. Well, the sound air is written like this. It's a trigraph. 3 letters, 1 sound. Let's read the grapheme for air. Say the sound air each time I show you the trigraph air, and say chair in the air when I show you the picture. Remember, air, chair in the air. Are you ready? Okay. One more time. Well done. Great reading of air. Now let's add air, chair in the air to the other cards. Remember, this grapheme says air. Okay, in it goes. And remember, this says 2 sounds. Okay, are you ready? Off you go. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. Oo or A. Ow. Ear. Air. Oi. Well done. Super sounds. That was excellent. Now, let's read some words with the grapheme air. Let's read our first word. Have a look. Remember that a trigraph is 3 letters, 1 sound. Can you see the trigraph air? Yes, here it is. This trigraph says air. Say air when I point to the trigraph. And again. Great job. This says air. Say the sound as I point and read the word. Ready? Now read it with me. Air. Excellent. A balloon is full of air. Good job. Let's read another word. Have a look. Can you see the trigraph air? Yes, here it is. Say the sounds as I point, then blend and read the word. Now let's read the word together. Air, fair. It is not fair to cheat when you play a game. Let's try another one. Remember what a trigraph is? Yes, a trigraph is 3 letters, 1 sound. Can you see the trigraph air? Yes, here it is. Say the sounds as I point, then blend and read the word. Now let's read the word together. Air, hair. What colour is your hair? Okay, have a look at this one. Can you see the trigraph air? Yes, here it is. Say the sounds as I point, then blend and read the word. Now, let's read the word together. Air, pair. Remember my pair of socks. Not just 1, but 2 socks. A pair of socks. Okay, final word. Have a look at this word. Can you see the trigraph air? Yes, here it is. Well done. Can you see a digraph in this word as well? Yes, the digraph is ch. Well done. Say the sounds as I point, then blend and read the word. Now, let's read the word together. Ch, air, chair. You sit on chairs in the classroom to learn. Well done. Okay, now I'm going to mix the words up so they're in a different order, and I want you to read the words on the cards without sounding out. Are you ready? Off you go. Let's check. Read them with me. Pair, fair, air, hair, chair. Incredible! We are on fire today, children. Now we are going to read some tricky words. Have a look at this one. You know how to read this tricky word. We have read this before. Can you remember why this word is tricky? Have a think. Do you remember? Yes, it's tricky because this letter says O and this letter says Z. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. W, O, Z, was. Let's try another one. Have a look at this one. You know how to read this tricky word. We've read it before. Can you remember why this word is tricky? You got it? Yes, it's tricky because this says ooh. Read the word. Let's read it together. I, n, t, oo, into. Well done. Okay, now let's read them quickly. I'm going to mix them up and I want you to read them aloud. Off you go. Did you get them right? Shall we check? Read aloud with me. Into. Was. Well done. Now let's read a sentence with graphemes we already know. Can you see a word with the trigraph air? Remember, a trigraph is 3 letters, 1 sound. Have you got it? Yes, these words have the trigraph air. There it is. And there. Can you see a tricky word we read today? Yes. Here it is. This is the tricky word, was. Can you see the tricky word, the? Can you see it? Here it is. And did you spot it at the beginning of our sentence with a capital letter? Well done. Good spotting. Now, I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Remember to sound out any words you are not sure of. Excellent reading. Now, let's read the sentence together. Read with me as I point to the words. The chair was in the air. Let's read the sentence one more time. Ready? The chair was in the air. Well done. Wow. Let's finish by spelling some words, because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it. You'll need your paper now and something to write with. You ready? Okay. Let's spell 2 words with the sound air. Let's spell fair. Segment the sounds with me. Fair. Air. Let's count how many sounds there are. Air. That's 2 sounds. Watch me write fair. I need 2 sounds. Air is a trigraph. 3 letters, 1 sound. So I need to write 3 letters. Air, fair. Okay, let's hide the word. Now you have a go. Say the word, say the sounds, and write them down. Don't forget the trigraph air. 3 letters, 1 sound. Good, well done. Keep going. Are you ready to check? Let's check our spelling. Show me your spelling. Let's have a look at mine. Air, fair. Did you get it right? Well done. Let's try another one. Let's spell hair. Segment the sounds with me. Hair. Air. Let's count how many sounds there are. Air. That's 2 sounds. Watch me write hair. I need 2 sounds. Air is a trigraph. 3 letters, 1 sound. So I need to write 3 letters. Air, hair. Okay, let's hide the word. Your turn to have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. And write them down. And don't forget the trigraph air. 3 letters, 1 sound. Keep going. Ready? Let's check our spelling. Show me your spelling. Let's check mine. Air, hair. Did you get it right? Let's spell a tricky word. We have spelled the word into before. Let's practice spelling it again. Segment the sounds with me. Into. I, n, t, oo. Let's count how many sounds there are. I, n, t, oo. That's 4 sounds. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, it is tricky because O says oo. Watch me write into. I, n, t. Oo is the tricky bit. Remember, the oo sound is written with the letter O. I, n, t, oo, into. Okay, let's hide the word. And you have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. What's the tricky bit? The oo sound is written with the letter O. Write it down. Have you done? Shall we check? Show me your spelling. Let's check mine. Are you ready to look? I, n, t, oo, into. Did you get it right? Excellent. Well done, children. You have worked so hard today practicing reading and spelling. I'm so impressed and I can't wait to see you next time for another lesson with letters and sounds.